Hey, it's Allison from Mom with a Minute. Today we are making chocolate fudgicles from scratch. You're only gonna need 4 different ingredients, a blender, and some molds. These fudgicles are super easy to make, great for the summer, and way healthier than store-bought. I came up with a DIY solution to my broken tripod. So this is what I did. I duct taped a whiteboard to the back of my tripod light. I had one of these magnetic holders and I just suctioned that to here. And then that's what's holding my phone. And it actually is working really well because this thing can tilt. So then I don't really need to move the tripod a lot. I can just use this. DIY for the win. The 4 ingredients that you need for these fudgicles are milk, maple syrup, cocoa powder, and a protein powder. Now, usually I do use a chocolate protein powder for these, but we're actually out. I use the Just Ingredients protein powder. So I'm gonna try it with the plain today. These are the molds that I use, and I just got them off Amazon. You can get whatever size you want for fudgicles, and you can also make popsicles in these. Super handy to have around. All we have to do for these fudgicles is just put everything in a blender, put it in the molds, and stick it in the freezer. Can you say more? So I'm going to grab my blender. I don't even know where I got this. I've had it forever, but it works. First, we're going to add 2 cups of milk. Then we're gonna add 1/3 cup of maple syrup. Whoops. 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. And last, we're gonna do 2 scoops of our protein powder.
Then you blend it.
Then we blend it.
Right now.
Like this. Push. Okay, now that that is blended together. Sometimes with the protein powder, it can get a little bit chalky on top. I just mix it together. It does seem when the fudgicles are done that it's not really that noticeable. The kids don't mind at all. Now that all those ingredients are mixed together, I'm just gonna pour them into the molds. Now that the fudgicle mixture is all poured in, we're just gonna put the tops in. And then I'm going to stick these in the freezer. For the molds that I have, I end up with a little bit of extra. So I'll just pour this for the kids to drink. There you go. Let's fast forward the freezing part. All right, it has been 4 hours and my kids cannot wait any longer. So we're gonna pull these out of the freezer and see how they look. All right, here we go. They feel pretty firm. Ta-da! So there, hold on. There is our homemade fudgicle. Can you see it? I think you're supposed to do this when you show something. Only 4 ingredients, so it's much healthier. So my kids are reaching for this right now. So let's hand it to them, see what they think.
Taste it.
Okay, you ready for this one? I know you've been waiting a long time. So that was only 4 hours and they're frozen. So that's good to know. There you go. What do you think?
Good.
Good. I'm gonna try one, see if I think that the, what is it? Plain protein powder is just as good as the chocolate protein powder. I like it. It's good. Again, of course, it has a little bit more of a chalky texture than like a store-bought one, but the taste is really delicious. And these are so much healthier and super easy to make. I hope you try this fudgicle recipe at home. Let me know if you do. Let me know in the comments if you do. If you're liking these videos, please subscribe, and I will see you next time. All right, let's pull one of these out. My kids are very excited. Squeeze. Come on, Fudgicle, come on out. doesn't want to come out. All right, let's pull one of these out. Ta-da!